Hello students, we are still on circle geometry. Today we want to look at angles in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. A right angle is 90 degrees. When you talk of a semicircle, that means if you are having the diameter of a circle like this, from this point on the circumference, the line passes through the center and to the other end, which give us the diameter. If this line, then from these two other end, you have an angle that touches the circumference like this. So it means this angle should give us 90 degrees. So any angle the diameter make with the circumference will give you 90 degree. Let's look at this other diagram. So you realize this is the diameter because it passes through the center. So if you now make an angle that touches the circumference from this diameter, it should always give you 90 degrees. So now let's look at this example. So in the diagram, PQ is the diameter of the circle, PMQN. So that means they say this is the diameter of the circle, center O. The center is O. If PQM, this angle is 63 degree. Find QM, QNM. You are told to look for this particular angle. So they said this one is 63. So you are now told to look for this particular angle. Now if you look at it, we say this is a semicircle considering this is a diameter. Any angle the diameter makes with the circumference. So this is diameter. So this whole angle here is the angle it makes with the circumference. So the whole angle here should be equal to 90 degree. Why? Angle in a semicircle. So that means your angle PMQ, PMQ, this whole angle PMQ, this whole angle here should be equal to 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. Now if you now look at it, this angle, if you consider this to be a triangle, this to be a triangle, so this angle, angle MPQ, this angle here plus the angle here plus this whole 90 should be equal to 180 because they are sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So this angle plus this one should be equal to what? 180. So that means angle MPQ plus angle PQM plus angle PMQ should be equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. So angle MPQ, we don't know that one. That is this one, MPQ. We don't know this angle. The angle here plus angle PQM is what? 63 degrees. Then angle PMQ, this whole angle is what? 90 degrees, equal to 180. 63 plus 90 will give us 153. So if we now bring this 153 from this side, if we bring it here, it will make minus. So 180 minus 153 will give you 27 degree. So that means this particular angle here is now what? 27 degree. Now if you look at this diagram, looking at this diagram, this, and if we have got this one to be 27 degree, so this particular angle, where is the origin? This point and this point. From this same origin point, we have another angle from here that now touches the angle here, which is angle QNM. So this angle, so since this angle here and this one here, they start from this point, they are angles in the same segment. Because of that, they should be what? Equal. So the angle we are told to look for is angle QNM. So it also start from QM, touching the circumference, QM again, touching the circumference. So they should be equal to MPQ. So angle QNM, it should be equal to angle MPQ. because they are angles in the same segment. So therefore, your angle QNM should be equal to what? 27 degrees. Now, for the work practice, find the lettered angles if O is the center of the circle. So if this is a circle, so this is the diameter of the circle, so this one touches the circumference like this. So you are told that this is angle 53 and this is angle A and this is angle B. So you are told to look for angle A and B. So considering this one, this is the diameter of the circle. So this one touches the circumference, this touches the circumference this way. So this is 56. You are told to look for angle C, D, and E. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you. You can rewind if you've not really got the explanation. Rewind again so that you listen to it carefully till you understand what I'm trying to pass across. Thank you.